Hi, welcome to my channel Tech Easy Learning. Today we are going to see a topic in Excel, that is how to draw automatic border. Normally what we will do here, for drawing the borders we will do like this only. Okay. So after that what we will do? Again we will enter some data and again we will extend this border. Yeah. But this is somewhat tedious one. If you want to automatically draw the border, what we have to do, we will see now. Go for conditional formatting and then go for new rule and then use the formula. Again, select the cell. Okay, after that, type F4 twice and then go for the format and select the border and select the border here. Okay, and then click OK and then click OK. Now, what happened here is if there is no data, there is no border. Okay, now I am going to type like this. See, automatically it draws the border. So automatically it draws the border. If you want to do it for entire columns, you can do like this. You can block and do the and write the formula and you can start the formatting one. Okay.